Welcome to my channel. Cryo360 Wi-Fi Extender Setup. 1. Unbox and plug in. Remove the Cryo360 Wi-Fi Extender from its packaging and plug it into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power light to stabilize. 2. Connect to the extender. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g., Cryo360_EXT. 3. Open a browser. Launch any web browser, e.g., Chrome or Safari, and type http://192.168.10.1 into the address bar to access the setup page. 4. Log in. Use the default username and password provided in the Cryo360 manual, often admin, for both. 5. Select Setup Mode. Choose Repeater Mode to extend your existing Wi-Fi network. 6. Choose your Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks, select your primary Wi-Fi network, SSID, and click Next. 7. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Input your primary Wi-Fi network's password and click Connect to link the extender. 8. Relocate the extender. Once the connection is successful, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. 9. Check signal strength. Ensure the signal indicator light on the extender shows a strong connection. Refer to the manual for light color codes. 10. Test the extended network. Connect a device to the extended network, often named like your main network with _ext added, and verify the connection works. Thank you for watching.